Hello friends and welcome to the channel. So what if I told you you don't need to sound more American, you don't need to sound even more British, Australian, or even to speak an amazing English, to sound more like a native English speaker? And what if I told you confidence, not an accent, okay? What if I told you the real secret to speaking clearly and being understood is not by having an accent? British accent, American accent, whatever accent. So if you've ever felt nervous speaking English, if you've ever been told I can't understand you, if you've ever tired or tried to hide your accent, this video is for you. So today I'm going to show you how to speak English clearly, confidently and powerfully without losing your accent or identity. And by the end of this video, you will know why accent is not a problem, your accent is not a problem, and of course the real reason people can't understand you, no matter how amazing your English is, and the simple techniques that to sound more clearly and instantly like a native English speaker, and of course how to speak with confidence even when you make mistakes. One mindset shift that changes everything. Now, leave a comment and of course hit the bell, give the video a thumb up, and of course let's get straight into it. Now the first thing, let's clear this up. Your accent is not a problem. Honestly, your accent is not a problem. Let me say this clearly, having an accent does not mean that your English is bad. Everyone has an accent, every native speakers, British English speakers, Americans, Australian, even Nigerian, Indians, all the accents that I haven't mentioned. The goal is clarity, not perfection. People don't struggle to understand you because your accent. They struggle because of unclear pronunciation or even the weak sentence stress, even speaking too fast or low confidence. And the good news here is that all of these can be trained. All of these pronunciation, sentence and everything that can be trained. So you just need to train, okay? And the secret, number one, is that speaking English is kind of like you just need to slow down, okay? Secret to speaking English clearly by slowing down. Most English learners speak too fast because they are nervous. But the truth here is that clear English is slower English, okay? Native English speakers do not rush. They stress important words and they relax the rest. Let's say, for example, a lot of people, they kind of like, the reason that you are not speaking confidence is that because you're speaking too fast. You are nervous. So now a lot of people, if you want to speak more clearly and of course more confidently, you slow down, because if you slow down and you kind of like, you change your sentence and everything, that the more you focus on your sentence, the better. And that will help you with your clarity, with your pronunciation focus, sentence stress, and everything, okay? And also you need to focus on your stress, not perfection or not perfect pronunciation. You don't need perfect sounds, you don't need perfect vocabulary, or you don't need a correct stress. English is a stress time language, which means some words are strong, but some words are weak. Example, I might say, I want to learn English confidently. So now if you stress the keywords, people will understand you, even if your accent says the same. I want to learn English confidently. So remember that English is not a stress time language, okay? It's not a stress time language. So now, if you kind of like stress a lot of words, so you don't need to kind of like stress every single word to speak more clearly. So just stress important words, okay? Important words. What about confidence? Confidence comes from permission, not perfection. It's something nobody tells you, okay? You don't need permission to speak English. You don't need to wait until you're ready. You don't need to be perfect. Have a perfect grammar, pronunciation, accent. Confidence comes from allowing yourself to speak imperfectly. Every confident speaker you admire to speak like them, every confident English speaker you admire to talk like them, they once made a mistake, too many mistakes. They just didn't stop, okay? So you don't need to stop. One powerful habit that builds confidence daily. Do this every single day, 2 minutes. Just listen, pause and repeat. Listen to a short clip video is of course shadowing. Repeat it out loud. Identify the mistakes if you have got any mistakes. Don't copy the accent perfectly. Copy the rhythm, intonations, emotion and clarity. Your brain learns through the repetition, not the perfection or pressure, okay? Because that's how you learn. That's how we all learn, okay? Your accent tells your story. It shows where you're from, and of course it shows your courage and to speak another language. Don't erase it, own it, okay? Clear English is not about sounding native. It's about being understood, confident and proud of your voice. And yeah, I mean, that's all about it. And you will do that. So that's all about it. And if you like what you saw today, you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section below what is the hardest part you find it to speak more clearly and more confidently. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.